The next thing to do once you get your new bikes, you're going to want to hang it up out of the way. You don't want a big mess of bikes like this in your garage. You want to keep it all tidy. So we measured the spot. We need a 10-foot 2x4. We're going to clean up this 2x4 a little bit and make it look all nice. Alright, for mounting our bike rack up on the wall, you're going to need a drill and some screws. I'm going to lag this because I'm going through a 2x4 through the drywall into another 2x4, so I need that length. You also don't want this whole rack to fall down once you get all 6 or 8 bikes, however many you have, up on the wall.
Okay, got you guys in the little action camera here.
Hello little action camera guys. Alright, this one, you don't want to hook them on the spoke, so you just kind of turn the tire a little bit, and then it's hanging more on the rim than on the spoke. Then
Just rest here on the wall. Maybe we should put another 2x4 down there.
for the,
Cause if you hit that too hard, it'll smash the drywall.
with the rubber tire, so that
Got it.
alternates the handlebars here, so we can get them closer together. And then once we get the third bike in there, handlebars are down lower on this one, and then just straighten up that. There we go. That is nice and compact.
Still gives us room to drive 4-wheelers in. Now we just gotta put in
2 more hooks up.
2 more hooks on the top board.
Let's go. Alright, one more screw after this and we should be good. Win again?
Yeah, one more. There.
You know, we could make these all different ways, but I think putting them all the same way, then all our bikes are going
That's
in the
bent.
same ways. Oh. Sticker? No sticker? No sticker.
Could take the sticker off.
It is more open though.
Okay, we're going with that.
Coming back in. Sneak in here. A little bit of space. Mainly it's just this one that you're leaning towards that you have to get out of the way. And then there's a little bit of... There. Success. Alright, so this is how we've got it alternated. So the handlebars are off of each other. We can fit 7 bikes up here now. But I think that's good. That got us a lot of space. Instead of cluttering the floor up with the bikes, they're all on the wall. We'll eventually get a shelf going in over here in the corner, helmets and gear like that. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.